What's up, guys? I'm Jason. This is the Freight BRAUN Garage, and today, as you can see, it's pretty dark. We're going to fix that because we are looking at some new lighting. That starts right now. Probably wondering why I'm in a chair right now. Well, simply because it's been a long week. And I just want to relax and tell you guys about the one thing that I feel like every garage has to have that gets you through any project, and that's lighting. That's why right now you see it so dark on your side of the screen, because I have the camera set at the best setting for natural light coming in. I have fluorescent lighting that's about 4 footers, about 10 of them in my garage. I haven't replaced it yet. I'm going to show you the light bulb that we replaced. It is a very key aspect, I think, to every garage. I think attack it, you're always working in the dark. Every time you go do a project, it's usually the last thing you think of is the lighting inside your garage. I got tired of having the lighting that I have, so I decided to get some better lighting. And the one I found was only $25, and that's at Harbor Freight. Everyone has their own opinions about Harbor Freight, obviously, but it's lighting. There's not much to say there. It's a light bulb, and it's inexpensive, and it lights up what you need to do. And when you are in the garage working on motorcycles, vehicles, whatever you're working on, and you gotta be detailed, you gotta find everything, and you gotta constantly use a flashlight to get into what you're looking for, it's a real pain in the ass is what it is. What we wanna do is I wanna relight this garage. I'm gonna show you right now. 5,000 lumens. Woo! Yeah, it's like a damn lightsaber. That is one hell of a light. So this is what we're installing today. 4 footers, super light aluminum body. You're gonna have chains to hang them. You got a little pull tab as well to shut on, shut off. Let's get at it. All right, so hopefully you guys can see it. We'll be changing that one, that one, that one, that one, this one, and possibly adding another one here. They are currently plugged in, but a light switch controls the plug. That should be enough, hopefully, power once we replace these. Now I have some on the other side of the camera, see if these are bright enough. If not, I'm gonna end up replacing them all. So we'll start off here. Alright guys, we are back in the chair to show you the difference. Now, as you saw, I was only able to do a couple lights. The other ones I came across were actually bolted into the ceiling themselves, so I gotta take apart the whole light. That's a whole another day for it, and I'm gonna get them all rearranged. Now, I only installed 3 lights out of the 6 I did, and as you can see, same settings with the camera, exactly the same. It's already made things brighter. So I got the rest of the garage to do. It should flip this whole thing around, give a lot better quality light in here when I'm working at night. So if you're trying to find some light for yourself, go check these out. They're at Harbor Freight, like I said. Hope you guys enjoy yourselves. Hope you enjoy your Saturday, your Sunday, if you're watching this, whichever day. And one thing, if you could, please hit that subscribe button, tap that like, press that notification, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. For those that weren't subscribed, thank you. Stay free, guys. I will catch you next week. See ya.